it was great fun. I mean, for me, the best part of Indra was that I was shooting with Vaijayanti Movies. Dutt Garu, amazing producer, gentle person. So it was a pleasure working with him. And then it was Chiranjeevi Garu. I mean, I was shooting with him, in awe of him. The worst part was that I had to dance with him. That was a nightmare for me. So I was like, who can dance with Chiranjeevi Garu? So I literally did not sleep the night earlier when I knew that I had to do songs with him. I think the best part of the movie was these two things. But I did enjoy shooting the songs eventually. I mean, I went through sleepless nights. But after that, we were on fantastic locations, especially for Die Die Dama, which had that, that Veena step. That, my God, it was such a rage, I remember, at that point of time. And when I went on set and when I saw him doing that, and I was like, oh, I have to do that? And then they said, no, he will do that. I said, oh, thank God. I don't have to do it. Panicking about this song, but eventually I decided that, you know what? It is what it is. I'm just going to have fun. And I think you can see that on the film, that I've had a blast while shooting, the song Die Die Dama. I think the other song that I really enjoyed was Krishna Mukunda na 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 na. The words, but I remember this tune. It was fun. It was a set song, like a typical on-set big song, dancers. And I remember that we were shooting in Hyderabad and Chiranjeevi Garu's family would come. So his kids would come and, the rest of it. It was really like good fun. Dutt Garu's family would come. So, it was a great atmosphere, great people to work with, amazing unit to work with. And I'm really looking forward to the re-release.